Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to store numbers as text in Microsoft Excel. I have to type here check number which starts from 00. Just type here 00123456. This is a check number. If I press enter, you will notice it is not showing the 00. How can I display 00? Just type single quote and type 00123456 and press enter. Now it is a text, that's why it is showing 00. In number it is not showing. If I have to type check number, just type single quote and type the check number. And press enter. If you want to type the bond number, bond number start from 00. If you press enter, it is not showing here. You have to type single quote and type 001526 and press enter. Now it is a text. One another technique you can use for this purpose, just select the area and select the format text. Now if you type here check number, it will display because it is a text. If I type the bond number, it will display the text. These two techniques you can use for this purpose. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.